Please go ahead.
Thank you so much. Good morning, Chairman Carlisle and the committee. My name is Kathryn Gunter, and I'm the Director of State Government Affairs at the Entertainment Software Association. I'm also here to speak in opposition to SB 5799. The ESA is a trade association that represents companies that publish video games for an assortment of consumer devices, including video game consoles. The makers of all three consoles, Microsoft, Nintendo, and Sony, are members of ESA. We recognize that this is a very important public policy issue, and I appreciate the opportunity to speak here today. In advance of the testimony, we also issued our formal opposition letter via email, and we believe that this mandatory right to repair is unnecessary, unwarranted, and harmful to the video game industry. I'd like to emphasize that game console makers are committed to providing consumers with repairs that are affordable, quick, and secure. Frankly, the industry doesn't make any money off of these broken devices, and thus we offer many options if a console needs to be repaired. All three companies also offer repair services that are after the warranty period. Carrying on, video game publishers rely upon secure media environments of the game console to protect their safeguards against sophisticated theft or piracy. To help the piracy video game software.
The piracy video game software?
To help the piracy video game software.
Do you at least read this into the mirror the night before you show up and testify in front of the committee? Or do you just write this on the bus on the way to the legislative building the same way that I did my earth science homework in 8th grade?
Software and hardware have security features that are built into them, and they're known as technical protection measures or digital locks. These locks prevent the play of any unauthorized game. Put simply, if a video game console's firmware runs a verification check on a game and it is not a legitimate copy, the video game won't play the console. The video game won't play the console.
No, but seriously, my favorite part of this is how the lobbyist that's sitting next to her, when she says that the video game will play the console, it's like, oh yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. The video game will play the console. The piracy data, lithium-ion battery, latest security will explode. The video game plays the console. It's like
or won't play the game, excuse me. Finally, just wanted to jump to any state effort that makes unlocking these tools available to unauthorized independent repair shops is at odds with federal law. As the digital locks are necessary for combating piracy, the U.S. Copyright Office said that there's no evidence to support the inclusion of consoles under general right to repair, and the Digital Millennium Copyright Act makes it actually illegal to traffic tools that can crack digital locks. Thank you so much for the time. Appreciate it.